Good morning, dear students of class 5th. Today we are going to continue a chapter 13, India's Neighbors. So I shall be continuing. Dear students, yesterday we had discussed about the neighboring countries of India and the similarity of language between India and the neighboring country Pakistan. And today we will discuss about similarity of food between India and Nepal. The traditional Nepali meal consists of dal, bhat and tarkari. The dish of pulses, rice and vegetable curry. Similar food is served in many Indian households also. There is only one difference in Nepali and Indian food. The difference is that Nepali food is much less spicy than Indian food. The only difference in between Indian and Nepali food is much less spicy than Indian food, and the influence of Indian food is more evident in southwestern part of Nepal. The rest of Nepal is influenced by Tibetan and Chinese cuisine. Dear students, do you know that Nepalese delicacy, momos, dumpling filled with meat or vegetables, is very popular in India. In India, momos is are very much popular. This is the picture of Nepali cuisine. This is the picture of Nepali cuisine. The non-vegetarian cuisine of India, Pakistan and Bangladesh is very similar. The first picture is the picture of kebabs and the second picture is the picture of dosa. The kebabs are an all-time favorite with everyone and dosa, a South Indian dish, forms an important part of Sri Lankan cuisine. The first picture is the picture of kebabs and the second picture the picture of dosa, the mouth-watering dishes. Dear students, Chinese food is very popular all over India, but it is very different from Chinese food that is available in China. Next one is similarity of dress with our neighbors. There is great similarity in dresses of both men and women that are worn in India and its neighboring countries. For example, sari and salwar kameez are the traditional dresses in both India and Pakistan. And sari is also worn in Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. However, the traditional style of wearing a sari is quite different in most countries. So the traditional dresses of India like sari and salwar kameez are common with Pakistan, and sari is also worn in Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. But only difference is that the style of wearing a sari. And the mekhla chadar of northeast India is similar to the dress of Nepal, Myanmar and China. And the traditional dress worn in Ladakh and Bhutan is quite similar to the Hanfu of China. This is the Hanfu, the traditional dress of China. And the traditional dress that is worn in Ladakh and Bhutan is quite similar to the Hanfu of China. So, dear students, the similarities in the language, food, and dress that we share with our neighboring countries highlight the cultural bonds of our country, and they act as a unifying bond even in the face of differences. So, dear students, today we read page number 121 and 122 of chapter 13, India's Neighbors. So, dear students, read these pages very carefully and understand the concept of similarity of dress with our neighbors and similarity of food with our neighboring countries. and also learn the neighboring countries of India and their capitals. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.